Ooh.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
Hey, what's up, everybody?
Hey, we're right here. Today we're trying to discuss about the Fast and Furious set.
Yeah, we just picked this up at Walmart not too long ago, and I was lucky enough to buy the whole set at once. So I kind of did an unboxing, which I think we'll pair it up with this video. If not, we'll do it on a separate video. But that unboxing was pretty sweet.
Yeah. And well, we have a total of 5 cars, Fast and Furious.
From the Fast Imports.
Fast Imports, Hot Wheels, Premium.
The premium line of Hot Wheels. They're all pretty much real riders.
Metal on metal.
Metal base. Yeah.
Alright, and then we have the 1 out of 5, which is the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 34, which was the A case for the 2019 Super Treasure Hunt, which did not have the tampos on the front, but did have it on the back.
I like that license plate in the back, man. What does that say?
Yeah, now that you mention it, 2F2F03, which my best guess is for Too Fast, Too Furious, which was released in 2003, if I'm not mistaken. Also, right-hand drive.
It's got the right-hand drive?
Right-hand drive, JDM.
Man, we might have to do a unboxing of it, just so we can see that right-hand drive.
Yes, you're right. One thing I come across is noticing that the Super Treasure Hunt was with this set of wheels, and I think it would have been ideal if the Super Treasure Hunt had this set of wheels instead of black. Black, have these ones in black and not chrome. So this one right here was for the Too Fast and Too Furious Skyline, which has a lot of detailing.
Yeah, it's got a lot, man.
You got the side markers, like I mentioned before, the tampos on the front and the back, that license plate.
Even the hood has the little ridges on it. I don't know if the regular one has that also.
So yeah, this one resembles a lot.
Show the card a little bit.
Original.
Look at that card. I don't know how to take it out without damaging that card, man.
I think it's the exact same thing. You just pretty much do the acetone all along the glue. Acetone with the little brush, and that thing comes out. That's my guess, but I don't know. These cars are.
What movie was that in, man? The first one, right?
This is the Too Fast, Too Furious.
Oh, what?
Yes, this one right here is the Tokyo Drift. The Nissan Sylvia, the one from. This is Hans' card. He loaned it to Sean.
Sean, yeah.
Who happened to destroy this car
when he was racing that DK. Damn. Look at the card though, man. It's got the NOS spraying out the wiper fluid. Yeah, that looks nice, man.
And also real riders, same type of rims, nice tampos on the front. Look at that detail.
You know what I'm noticing, man? And I didn't notice this before. Look at that in the garage. Like, look at the previous one, dude. Right? You see how this is number 1? In the garage, the next one up is number 2.
Oh, snaps.
And then in the number 2, the next one up
is the Ford Escort.
Which
is the number 3 and so forth.
They really detailed that card, man.
Yeah.
So every time you take it out of the garage, you park the one before it or after.
Just like that Tokyo Drift when they had the Hulk and it was just rotating their cars. Now that you mention it's a good catch.
Yeah, I didn't see that before, man.
Yeah,
That's
I
like
hadn't noticed.
real attention to detail when they made that card, I think. Yeah.
Alright, so over with the Sylvia. This is the Hans car, which Sean destroyed by racing DK because he challenged him to a race, but he didn't even know what drift meant. DK for Drift King. This is a nice looking car.
That thing's low, man. I think it's lower than... It's probably lower than that Skyline you showed, man.
Well, we won't know until we unbox. So the third one, which is the Ford Escort. Fast Furious 6.
Oh, is that the one that jumps off the bridge?
Yes, indeed. I
When
believe
they're gonna fight the tank.
Yeah, this is the one what they use with that movie where they're trying to steal the Ford GT.
I thought they just jumped them out of an airplane.
What?
Yeah. Right, they parachute them off the airplane, and then they land on a bridge, and then they try to go to war with the tank.
Fast Furious 6?
Yeah, Fast 6. That's the one with the... Ah, damn it, I forgot, man. It's the one that has the that Lycan Super Sport from Saudi Arabia, and they jump it off that building. I think. I'm not sure. It's been a while. We're gonna have to.
Yeah, we need to start watching or rewatch
a marathon, man. This set makes me want to have a Fast and Furious marathon.
Yeah.
And just sit all my little cars on my couch, so they can watch the movie too.
Yeah, to be honest, I don't recall which one was the Fast and Furious 6. But I mean, this is a nice car.
It's got that roll cage. The card has the roll cage.
Yes, it does.
So maybe we need to pick up a second set before we unbox it, cause it's too nice to unbox. Just if we don't find a second set, it's gonna be a real shame.
Yeah, I mean,
it's
a
a really nice set.
I mean, I know Netflix has them. Has like 3 of them, so
maybe YouTube even has it, you know?
yeah, so
if
yeah,
you got YouTube Premium.
these two cars were in the Fast Furious 6 when Letty was there. But then she had just lost her consciousness. Her consciousness.
Why do they only have one from Too Fast, Too Furious? They
Yeah.
should have included the
Supra?
either that or
Oh man,
the S2K, man.
S2K would have been nice. Yes, you're right.
Or a muscle car too, man.
Yeah.
Like, I think that's kind of like where they went wrong, man. They just included 2 boring ass cars. I mean, the Ford Focus is the Ford Focus is nice. It's pretty popular in other parts of the world.
Yeah, this is not. I would leave this behind. Yeah, it's probably big in Europe. That's all they drive over there.
It's small, compact, 4-cylinder. But here in America,
Yeah, no.
we, you know,
You'd rather have this.
yeah,
Nissan.
the nice cars that Japan doesn't want to give us.
They brought
But this one is
Waxilla.
really good, man. Like black on black. The interior is probably black too.
Yeah.
And I'm guessing it's
Yeah, it has to be.
right-hand drive. I don't know if in the movie it was, because they don't really show it like that, but
Yeah, like I don't recall seeing the car like we said, but
yeah, if you guys see this set in stores, do not wait. You gotta pick it up.
yeah, you're
Um,
right.
as soon as I saw the box, I didn't even bother opening it. I just paid for the whole case.
Man, I don't believe it. How did you know it was the Fast and Furious? Yeah,
I gambled.
A gamble. Yeah, no, I mean, now open the box. You know, like there has to be like 2 sets. I
Each
think
box
the
comes with a set each.
2 sets. It's a 10-piece, contains 10-piece.
Yep.
So yeah,
I was surprised actually when I opened it, because I thought they would have used, filler cars like this one and just give you maybe 3 good ones, or maybe 3 good ones and then 2 not so good. That don't really represent the franchise that good. But luckily I got all 5. So good luck, guys, if you want to hunt for these.
Yeah, you gotta be there as soon as they unload.
I got these off of a load pallet at the Walmart, and
Yeah, I haven't seen them since.
I wasted no time. I've only seen the yellow one at another store, I think.
Yeah, that's the one they leave behind. I've seen this one a couple times, just 3 or 4, but never seen this one alone.
So definitely get it. The cards are really nice. I'm glad I got them with almost like no damage at all.
Factory seal.
Oh, they got all their sponsors on the back. Race wheels, Toyo tires, Sparkle, and then you got the Universal logo right there representing the movie. I'm just glad they didn't put Universal all over the damn thing like previous sets. I think they etched Universal on the sides of them. It just looks really clean without that. I mean, they got it on the card. I think that's enough. You don't need to damage the paint on the car with that. So that's all.
Well, that's all we got. Tell us about how you got your whole set.
And let us know if you come across a full set,
You unbox it.
or if
You
you've
have to
been
hunt.
having it for a while and we're the ones that are late to this, which I don't think so, but
Nah, I mean, we got it a while ago. We just did not make this
maybe a
video.
week ago. But we got jobs, so
Yeah, we got jobs.
it's
kids.
It's hard to upload, but we'll try to upload as more frequent as possible. So stay tuned.
That's all we got. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give the thumbs, subscribe, and like we said, comment how you completed your set, or if you're still hunting for these cars, the most popular ones. I mean, like I said, you might have seen or only own these 2, but
Because I know this one was in... It was
Good
in a
luck.
different set, I think.
well, I don't know about that.
Maybe like a...
Well,
like a Gran
I mean,
Turismo or something.
I don't know.
We'll look
I
into
mean, we started hunting just September 22nd. That's when Hot Wheels came to our state, and then that's when we started collecting. But I mean, we have older Fast and Furious models, but we don't have complete sets. Just like the ones nobody like. They're the ones that are left behind. But anyways, time to wrap it up. We're all set. I think we said more than we had to say in this video.
Yeah, and if you guys want more videos like this, or let us know what you guys didn't like about it.
Yeah, and just any feedback really helps.
It'll help us improve our video. And if any bad words slipped out, I'm sorry.
All habits never get rid of.
Yeah.
Alright, well, thumbs up, comment, like, and what time is it? Alright, have a good one.